This video will show you how to start your Padlet, make some minor changes, and submit the Padlet onto our class Padlet in its learning for your 30-day goal. So the first thing you need to do is open your start page and click on Padlet right here. This should link you directly to your own personal Padlet. The school pays for it, so it should have your name at the top. I don't need notifications. So if your name is not up here, you will need to log out and log back in, and then make sure that your name is up there. So my name is already up here, and I've already started my first Padlet, but I'm going to show you how to make yours. So you click on Make a Padlet, decide how you want it to look. I did a timeline because I think this makes most sense for a 30-day goal, because I'm going to be doing one thing after the other in order. So click on Timeline. You can use something else if you would like to. Don't use a back channel, but you could use the other pieces if you would like to. But this makes most sense for me. So this is how it'll come up with just a random background. I'm going to show you how to change a couple of these things. You can click on this little gear thing here. It says Modify. And then you can change everything about this. So you can add pictures that are already there. You can add your own wallpaper. What I'll set up for this goal is something that helps my mental health and relaxation, and that is learning the guitar, which was my 30-day goal back in July, and I did really, really well because I practiced all the time, and now I actually can play. So these do work. All right, I'm going to use this as my background because it's pretty. And just get back. You can do anything you want for your background. You can draw your own picture and put it up there. That's perfectly fine. You can make some changes in here, but the first thing you need to do is write your first name, last name, 30-day goal project. You can make another kind of description. I'm just saying play the guitar. Obviously that's not a SMART goal. That's just my general, what am I going to do? So the one thing I need to do is turn on comments so that I can actually make comments as you go through here to your goals. That way if you need to make some edits or changes in your goals, or if I want to make comments, I can as you go along. So pay attention to my comments that I post on your Padlet. So then you're going to just click Save to get started. And then close, and this lets you start. So you can click on the plus, and when you click on the plus, it starts with the first little picture, and my first picture is going to be my inspiration quote. And remember here, you can do all kinds of different things, including pull some images off of the internet. So I'm going to upload a picture. There's an inspirational quote, and then I can either click the plus sign here, or if you don't have a timeline like this, you have to go back down there and click that plus sign on the far right hand corner. So I'm going to click this, and I'm going to start with my SMART goal, and then rewriting what we've done in class using the whole SMART acronym to write your SMART goal. Now you will almost 100% likely have to rewrite your SMART goal, because as you get started, you're going to find something that doesn't work, which is fine. So you make changes. I've already made changes. After one day, I rewrote my SMART goal. That made more sense after I really thought about it and tried it for a day and realized it wasn't working for me. So you're going to be rewriting your SMART goal at some point. So that might be here. My SMART goal revision. You're going to decide on what possible obstacles. It'll help you with your thought process. Actually, probably my possible obstacles would be before that. So I'm just going to drag it and move it. There we go. I'll probably have obstacles here, and then my revision here, and then I'm going to start my journal. You will need to come back and revisit this journal at least once a week with your updates. And you can journal a whole lot more than that. You can add videos and pictures of yourself doing this project as well, which would be perfect. You get extra credit if you add some personal touches to this. Okay, so now that you're at a point where, obviously I'm not finished, but I'm set up, I've started, I want to put this on the classroom Padlet. As you make changes to your Padlet, I will be able to see the changes live on our class Padlet. Okay, now I'm back at our overview page. Change this, it looks like a student page. There we go. On your overview page, here at the very top of the plans, I'm going to leave this at the top for the entire month. You click on 30-day goal. And if you happen to be period 1 or period 2, depending on where you are, I've already uploaded this, but I'm going to show you how to do it by deleting it, starting over. You would click on, under the correct period, the plus sign. Then the 3 little dots, and this one here says Padlet linked to one of your other Padlets. So if I click on that, this is my actual 30-day goal one, but this is the one that I just made to show you. So this will be in my example, but this is the one I started. So I'm going to click on this. You don't need to write a title or anything else like that because your name will be right there. And it'll be right here too. So it'll pop up with one of the pictures that's within your Padlet. But now that you're finished, if you click on this, it will take you directly to your Padlet. And that way I can, again, see what you've done and changes that you've made and give you credit for making revisions and updating as we go along.